Alrighty, welcome back yet again. So, I kind of forgot to talk about the electrical stuff, or just like the electrical stuff in general. So I'll just give you guys a quick rundown. So as you can see, we have the electrical costs. We have our on peak, our mid peak, and off peak, and then we have our rates that are determined, and then like the attributed costs to those rates. So for this, you'll want to check your energy bill. You'll want to figure out what your on peak, mid peak, and off peak, and insert those values here. I'm just gonna put in random values or whatever. And as you can see, the cost update. Yeah, so you'll have two options. You can either do it this way, or you can just choose a flat rate. And as you can see, have any one of those, and when you hit the check mark, it'll update this value to this value. If you uncheck it, it'll take the average of all these values and put in your electrical cost right here. Honestly, up to you. Choose whatever you want, whatever feels best, whatever works best. You do you. So to be able to get the actual power usage, the power usage is more or less just a sum of all the power usage from the print from dashboard, and this print from dashboard more or less takes into account all the power usage from all the printers that are being utilized. So you can see these values here. Takes the sum of all those. It'll input that there, so this can change based off of whatever wattage ratings you have for your printer. As for this information right here, you don't want to insert these values here because there's an X. If there's an X, that means you don't touch it, or you don't touch the columns below that. To alter your wattage rating, you'll have to go to the drop-down list and insert the wattage rating for your individual prints, and that will update this part, which then updates the power usage as well as the average wattage of your of the printers that you got. So that should be a good enough explanation. If you guys have any questions on it, if you think there's any mistakes, let me know. I'll try and deal with issues, but yeah, hopefully this is helpful, and have a good one, guys.